And it is going to turn south late tonight whilst heading away from Fiji tomorrow. But the hurricane warning is still in force for Sawa and Manganotho groups. A storm warning is in force for the western half of Viti and nearby small islands. Damaging gale winds is still in force for the half of Viti and nearby small islands, Viti and Canal. So the seas are still heavy. Rain will be frequent and heavy. Flooding included sea flooding, of course, that is expected.
There are 3,522 people now. The Western Division, it's open. People are still moving towards the evacuation center. We haven't got any confirmed figures yet. Eastern Division, there are 5 evacuation centers open with 226 people already in the centers. At the moment, they have brought their own meals or supply to keep them for at least 2 to 3 days. Port operations have ceased. Ships have taken shelter. I guess I was told that the last ship arrived this morning from Sub-Saudi. That's the Sophie.
We're now somewhere around here. It has gone past the northern part of Honolulu, the northern portion. We're going to send instructions to Commissioner Northern to start his services up there. They can start now going into these areas and give us better feedback from what they gave us yesterday.
We've received reports of fallen trees and damages, structures, big structures, reported from the General Tekombia, Bundu, Kia, in the Commodore as well, FA power outage, solar on rooftop flown out, flown away, blown away, damages to root crops. These are practically the damage that were incurred with the substantial strong and gusty winds that we had encountered last night, sir.
The latest weather just changed from what we thought the track yesterday. Eh? It is going to now move between the Asawas and Vitilevu. So, yeah, so we will expect stronger winds and of course the rain and flooding around that area. So just be prepared for that.